a mom came through and tore it all up. I look like I'm moving. There are boxes everywhere, just piles of stuff, just all over the place. And yeah, we've got to get this done today.
Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher.
Happy New Year, Glamorous Penny Pinchers, and welcome back to my channel. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Chelomie, and today we are going to do some Christmas takedown. Yes, we're going to take all those Christmas decorations down. We're going to do some purging, and we're going to do some decluttering. So if this is something you want to see, you know exactly what to do. Just keep on watching. I'm in the attic and it is freezing, so I had to get my long warm sweater. And what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to look in these boxes with the excess Christmas stuff and kind of do some purging up here to make room for the things that I'll be bringing up from downstairs. So a lot of these things, to be honest, will be going to the Goodwill this morning because yeah, I am done with having all this stuff. I pulled a few of the bins out in the hallway here so I can sort out here because it is way too cold in there. So I'm just going to go through, see what I want to keep, see what I want to get rid of, like I said, to make room for the things I'm bringing up from downstairs and to take some away to Goodwill. So I got these. I think I used them maybe once or twice. They're pretty cute. I'm going to keep these. I may spray them black or something next Christmas if I use them. Pretty cute. So these are a keeper. This can go. Yeah, I've had it for a minute. For now, I'm just gonna pack all the things that I've taken to the Goodwill in this bin. I'm not giving them my bin though because I want it, but just to sort it, and then I will take my bin back when I take the stuff out there to them. These. I'm gonna keep these. Keeper. Keeper. I thrifted these way back when and I really love these. I'm gonna keep them. I've had them now maybe 8 years, but I still love them. I'm gonna keep these. There are probably 6 or 7 of them. I don't know where the others are, but I'm gonna keep them. These are some of the ornaments from my 2023 tree. And I'm keeping those because these colors, you'll always need them at some point. All right, I freed up a couple of bins, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take down this tree and the stockings that are up here. I'm also gonna go ahead and remove the things from inside of the built-in. So full takedown today. Taking down my bows, and I'm pretty much gonna leave them just like they are. If anything, I'll flatten them down, and then if I need them next year, they would have already been put together, and I'll just put them on the tree. So like these ones that I used to make the loop, again, I'm gonna keep them just like this, and I will just flatten them like so for easy storage. Then if I want them next year, I'll just pull them down and fluff them back out. Easy peasy. Alrighty, everything is off the tree. I have put them in bins here. And now I have to sort them by color. The tree will go back in its box, and in this box is where I kept all of the containers for the ornaments. So I'll just slide them back in their respective containers so they are good and ready for next year. But it's time to say goodbye to a legend. The Night of Opulence tree is coming down. All right, so the tree is down. As you can see, I have these bins here filled with stuff that I now need to put away. I've already taken the items off of the entryway table. I've already taken down the stuff from the dining room. So I'm on a roll, but your girl is tired. So I had to stop and get me something to drink. I'm drinking some green juice, and this has in it, it has green apples, cucumbers, mint leaves, some rosemary leaves. It also has ginger in it, and I added some pineapple as well. It tastes so good and so refreshing. Exactly what I need right now. This is a part of my health journey for 2025. Let me know if you want to know more about that. But your girl's tired, but I'm making it do what it do. You wanna go outside? Say hi to the people. Hey. All right, in. All right, guys. So outside stuff is down. The dining room is down. All that stuff is over here on the floor. The entryway table is down. The Christmas tree that was here is down, and it's in the box over here. And the family room for the most part is down. I'm slowly putting things away. The fireplace is down. All I have left are the built-ins, and then the hard part, which is to actually put the things away. So I have both sides of the built-ins left, and then I'm gonna start putting things away. I have some things up here on the fireplace, some of the picks and sprays and all that wonderful stuff, boxes all over the place. So I am trying to get the place back to some kind of normalcy. So I'm gonna start putting the bins upstairs. One of the things I try to do when I store my Christmas decorations is I try to put the colors together. And if I have to mix them, I mix them with ones that I would normally use them with. So here I have like all the black and white. These are basically all my clusters that are together. I just keep the clusters together, similar colors. All my blacks are packaged back together. In here I have my creams and my whites with some golds. Here I have my larger black ornaments. They're all together as well. And down here I have my gold sprays and picks, and I'm going to find a container that will house all of these the same color. Then I'll put all my bows together by color. My black and white bows and my black bows will go together, probably with the ribbons that match it that I have left over. And then my other colors, I will find other containers to store them in with like colors. I'm gonna sort some more items for Goodwill, guys, from this container that I usually have my sprays in and my picks in. I'm gonna put some of them in this box to go to Goodwill. Okay, so with that, all my gold stuff, my gold picks and sprays are ready to be stored. Okay guys, so here is where it gets a little tricky because I went out for Christmas and bought all these village home pieces for my built-in, and I did not get rid of anything when I brought these things in. So the important thing is to exercise the 1 in 1 out rule, which I clearly didn't do when I went shopping for this built-in for the Christmas pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go below in the cabinets under here, and I'm gonna get rid of pieces to go to the Goodwill, so that way I can house some of the items from up here. So here are the things that I've taken off from underneath the built-ins to go to Goodwill, and I have another box and another bag of stuff that I've taken from the kitchen under the island. And yeah, I'm gonna keep going. For items such as this, that's more on the delicate side, make sure you wrap them in paper before storing them away. So all the paper that you receive when you go to Home Goods and go shopping and they wrap your items, I save those pieces of paper, and then at the end of Christmas, like now when I'm putting stuff away, I use them to wrap and safeguard my items before putting them away in the bins. Okay guys, I am all done and everything has been taken down and put back in its right and proper place. The house looks like when we first move in. Like, there is no decor at this time. Everything is just bare. But this gives me a clean palette to redecorate and put my things back up. This is the living room. All the items that you're seeing here for the built-ins, these are the items that I'm going to put back up here on both sides. The sofa just has the regular pillows and the coffee table. I will decorate it as well. So I'm gonna ask you guys that you come back for part 2, which is where I redecorate and refresh the space for the winter. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple. All you have to do is to click that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I post new videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how I feel. I've felt this way for a very long time. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher ChelomieC saying bye-bye.